Oh, flies are up. Oh, that breeze is so nice. Yes, I'm supposed to come down here. I wasn't supposed to turn off. Jesus. Some good repair work. Not. Alright, coming up to a crossing. Lots of gravel and bumps. Yeah, these roads are definitely not in the best condition, that's for sure. Fires are back down. Off we go. I think we'll get a good decent amount of riding in before I hit the next town now. Alright, now we need to be very focused. Oh, no wave. What a pov. Yeah, this road is very gritty. Mate, it's vibrating a lot, the bike on this road. a lot more than usual. So it's just hundreds and thousands of micro bloody vibrations. Concealed driveways. Keep an eye out for them. I'm sure I'm on to the next video now, probably. We'll see how it all turns out. Who knows? I might even pull my finger out and actually edit these videos so that I can put them all back together again. But I feel like 13-minute videos that it automatically puts them into is a lot easier to watch. I feel like not many people will watch an hour-long bloody motorcycle video, but they might watch a 13-minute one, just see what it's about. Man, this school bus is zooming. Alright, he's got his blinker on and brakes, so we'll slow down just a little bit, give him space. Off the throttle, I'm not braking or anything, just off the throttle. Staying away from the side of the road there, lots of gravel. Coming into a 70k zone. This is the next town. I didn't see any signage, or at least I missed it. What have we got? Brentwick. No, I think that might be just a sign for that house there. Ooh, I think I was going... No wonder it was vibrating so much. I was in 5th gear the whole time. Whoops. Nine, 7, 9. 6, 7. Nana Glen, that's the one. Some honey. Slow down, slow down. Alright, come on, to school zone. Alright, go to side of the vehicle. Right, put it into 6 this time. See how that goes. Yeah, way less vibrations. Just about zero. Zero vibrations now. Except for all these potholes. Oh man, I hope they've done more on this bloody road up here. The roadworks I got stuck at for like bloody 10 minutes the last time I came through here. Look what they're growing out here. It looks like blueberries in the mesh, but I'm not sure what they're growing next to it. Could just be some younger blueberries, I guess. Yeah, it looks like they've just been planted, making another orchard. Orchard. Orchid is the flower, orchard is the group of bloody fruit trees. Or bushes, I guess. Big cliff face. Bloody hell, there's a fair few trees on that mountainside. Although I don't think it's a mountain, it's probably just a big hill.